Hello everyone, and how are you doing today? In this video I'll be sharing with you how to come up with this very delicious nutrient dense hydrating smoothie to hydrate and moisturize your skin from within while leaving in all those nutrients to give you that ageless glow and brightness from within. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this goodness yourself at home. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay looking hydrated, moisturized and glowing from within. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so by clicking the red subscribe button right below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. So let's get straight into it. So in order to come up with this delicious smoothie to hydrate, moisturize and give that bright ageless glow to the skin from within, the first ingredient you need is a very powerful hydrating fruit, and watermelon happens to be one of the world's most hydrating fruits I can think of. They help to hydrate and leave in moisture to the skin from within. Not just that, they help to prevent cell damage, causing premature aging on the skin, leaving your skin now looking so hydrated, moisturized and youthful, because hydration and moisturizing is the key to a youthful and radiant looking skin. Watermelon will do just that for you. So what I need here is, you will slice your watermelon into 4. You need just one portion of it, that is 1/4. 1/4 of watermelon, that is what you need for the smoothie of today. So this is it, thoroughly cleaned watermelon and sliced into sizes that I can easily blend. Watermelons are equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals to nourish your skin and give you that healthy glow from within. So voila, this is my sliced watermelon ready to be blended with the other ingredients. The second ingredient for this smoothie of today will be these citrus fruits, as they are highly rich in ascorbic acid, and ascorbic acid helps to prevent the formation of excess pigmentation, causing all the skin discoloration, on uniform skin tone, to now unify your skin from within, give you that brightness from within, as it is highly rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C is ascorbic acid, which helps to brighten up the skin from within as well. These fruits are like antioxidants, because vitamin C is a form of antioxidant to fight free radical damage causing premature aging on the skin. So be careful. I will be using the fiber, so I just grated, but I'll be using the fiber. You don't want to throw your fiber, because fiber helps to aid digestion and it helps to metabolize sugar in your system, so you don't end up with high sugar levels in your system, most especially if you are consuming sweet fruits and vegetables. The next ingredient will be pineapple. So for today I'll be using half a pineapple. Pineapples are to perform double function here. Pineapples are highly rich in vitamin C to help glow the skin from within, and as well pineapples help to aid digestion and to facilitate metabolism, like wake your system, walk your system to like flush out all those toxins and waste from your system, making your skin looking dull. So this is like mild detoxing with this pineapple, and to glow your skin as well. So I usually don't throw my pineapple peel, I use them for my weight loss drinks, and this is my half a pineapple. So now I'll be slicing this pineapple into sizes that I can easily blend. Pineapples are not just rich in vitamin C, they are loaded with other vitamins and minerals to nourish your system and give you that healthy glow from within. Not just that, it will help to cleanse your liver so your liver can function properly, because your liver depends on fruits and vegetables to cleanse. So, and once your liver is in good state, it cleanses your blood, your system functions properly, and you glow naturally, looking so healthy. So this is my half a pineapple sliced into sizes that I can easily blend, and I'm adding it now in the bowl of watermelon. Now all ingredients are to get into my blender. First I'll start with my pineapple, now my citrus fruits, the orange and grapefruits, and now my watermelon. So as you can see, all these fruits are almost water based, like they are almost water based, for hydration and for moisture to the skin. Most especially watermelon is very good at moisturizing the skin. Plus all these fruits, they will hydrate and moisturize your skin. Plus all those vitamin C fruits in there, rich in ascorbic acid, are to brighten and give you that glow, that brightness from within, while fighting oxidative stress causing premature aging on the skin. They will as well help to brighten up your skin so you can look so vibrant, youthful, and good. So you want to put your smoothies in your bottles. You can share with whoever you have at home. This is good to share with like 3 people, but I am greedy with my smoothies. I like to put them in my system. Not that I cannot share, I can make yours, but this is just for me to put in all these nutrients in my system. I make for whoever I have at home separately from mine. This is just all for me to put that goodness down into my system. So I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay fresh, looking beautiful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye. A bonjour.